Good morning, beautiful soul. I'm Lucy from Ethereal Flow. This is your moment to awaken peace, anchor presence, and step into quiet power. As you breathe, feel the gentle hum of life returning through you. Let each inhale bring calm, each exhale release. I am peaceful. I am centered in stillness. I trust the flow of this new day. I am calm and steady. My mind is clear and quiet. My body softens as I breathe. I'm present. I arrive fully into this moment. I am aware of my breath, my body, my being. I feel gratitude rising with the morning light. Each sound, each breath, each heartbeat connects me deeper. I am here, alive, awake, aware. I am powerful in peace. My calm is strength. My focus is power. I trust myself completely. I am the still point in the center of all motion. I move through this day with grace and quiet confidence. I am capable and composed. I act with clarity and ease. I bring gentle strength to everything I touch. I radiate peace to those around me. I speak from calm authority and kindness. My mind and body work in harmony. I am aligned with my purpose. I honor my intuition. Every step I take today flows from calm awareness. I create balance in motion. I move with peace, presence, and power. I am thankful for this new beginning. I breathe deeply into my center. I allow clarity to guide me. I am ready to shine with grounded confidence. I am peaceful. I am present. I am powerful. I am thankful for this new beginning. I breathe deeply into my center. I allow clarity to guide me. I am ready to shine with grounded confidence. I am peaceful. I am present. I am powerful. These affirmations are now part of you. Carry this calm, this presence, and this power as you step into your day. Thank you for joining us at Ethereal Flow. Become the best version of you.